So we're at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres in Mexico. We have an Elegance Club 1-bedroom suite, and our room is 4316. How you get in is you have a wristband, so you don't need to worry about losing a key card or anything, so it's super convenient. So come on in, I'll show you around. So when you walk in, there is a half bath right off to the side here, so that's really great. There also is a box for room service, so if you order room service or if you want to put your dirty dishes away, if you order extra pillows or hangers or anything, if you order anything and you don't want to see a worker, you can just tell them to put it in the box. And I love this because there's a lot of times you just don't really want to see someone. So then moving on into the living room, there is a nice dining table, perfect for room service. There's also a couch, a little sitting area. There is a TV in here. There's also 2 different types of coffee machines, which I love coffee, so I love this. So there's a regular pot of coffee, and then there's also an espresso type machine. And the coffees will be restocked daily, along with the mini bar is restocked daily. And there's some snacks, there's some candies, chips, and peanuts. And if you like something in particular, you can just leave a note in the mini bar, and they'll make sure that they stock it to your liking. There is also 1 bottle of alcohol that comes with your room if you stay in an Elegance Club suite. So we have chosen to have Bacardi for our room. And this room is about 850 square feet. It can hold 4 adults. This room does not have a pull-out couch. However, if you request it and you have 4 adults, you can get a room that would have a pull-out couch. The door is a sliding door, so if you do have those 4 adults, you can slide it if you're strong enough, and then you can kind of have two different sleeping spaces. So moving into the bedroom, king size bed, nice and spacious. You have another TV on the wall. Bathroom, open concept bathroom, so if you are sharing a room, if you do have those 4 adults, just keep that in mind that it's pretty open concept. There is an oversized tub. It is not jetted. It is just a really large tub, so still really nice, but just keep in mind no jets. Double sinks. There are some toiletries provided, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion. There's also a scale and a hair dryer and a diffuser. Separate toilet area. There's also a shower, pretty good size, rain shower along with a wand. And again, you have your soap, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And same as the mini bar, these are all going to be refreshed daily. And if you need something extra, like I have a lot of hair, so I would ask for more conditioner, so feel free to do the same. Lots of closet space here. You have drawers, you have hangers, and you can always ask for more hangers. I see a lot of people ask specifically on resort pages, should I bring my own hangers? No, you never need to bring your own hangers. You can always just ask for more. Me personally, I usually ask for about 10 more. That's usually what I need. So there is a steamer in this room, so you don't need to bring that either. If you need an actual iron, you can request that, but steamers are generally what they have for newer resorts. There is a safe, and I have a MacBook Air, and that fits perfectly in there, but you can hold a lot of stuff in here. And moving on, right outside is such a gorgeous view. Now it's a little loud out here because it's the afternoon, so they are playing some games over at the main pool, but there is a very beautiful view. there is an oversized sitting area over here, table and chairs, perfect for morning coffee, and then your jacuzzi tub over in the corner. So this does get hot and this will be bubbly. So opposed to the tub inside, this will be nice and, I don't know what the word I want to use is, but nice and bubbly. So look at this view. You really cannot beat this. So this is the 1-bedroom suite Elegance Club at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres. If you are interested in booking, I would be happy to help you. You can reach out via my website, memoriesandmojitos.com.